This is part of the Magic Tricks series where we show really cool tricks that hopefully simplify a lot of questions. And so we've got a ratio, and for starters with this ratio, I would rather have it looking like a fraction. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the DC across and I'll bring it down. I'm going to take the 5 across and I'm going to bring it down. That makes it easier to see that its AD is 3, but we never just say 3 because it's a ratio. So for starters, you always want to use letters. If I'm comparing the ratio of areas that have the same height, then you basically can just compare the bases. So if they've got the same height, you can just compare the bases and there will be our answer. 3 is to 5. But I'd imagine you're not satisfied with that, so let me give you a fuller explanation, but it's just helpful to know that little trick. I'm going to let this be theta, and therefore the other side would be 180 minus theta. And what I'm going to be using is my knowledge of area rule, and area rule required side, angle in between, and side. And so watch how it goes. The area of triangle ADB would be half the base times the height, which will just be the side on the other side of theta, so BD, times sine of the angle in between. The area of triangle CBD would be, and I'm comparing these, I'm just going to put it as a divide, half the base times, again, the side on the other side of the angle in question, times sine of the angle, 180 minus theta. What ends up happening is half cancels with half, K cancels with K, BD cancels with BD, and the reduction of sine 180 minus theta is in the second quadrant where sine is positive. So it just reduces to sine theta. So sine theta will cancel with basically sine theta. And all I'm left with, like I said in the little trick, is the 3 and the 5. And so that's hopefully a helpful trick just to know immediately what the answer should be, and then you can go and do the hard work of getting there. But when I've got the same height, then I can just compare the bases. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.